What is going on YouTube? It's Sank here, we're back with another one. Hey, before I kick things off, if you're looking to level up as an investor, check out the link down below to the Patreon and join our team of investors over at the Discord. Alright guys, so I know it's the weekend, but I wanted to get you guys prepped and ready to crush another week in the markets with me. That being said, I've got a couple of plays I want to put on your radar. Now you guys know right now is the season to build the portfolios with these quality, cheap plays that we've got out there in the market. Now before I get to it, I'm going to need you guys to hit that like button for me, and if you're new, hit that subscribe button. Now before we jump into our first play, I wanted to share a massive update with the family. Alright, so check me out. This morning I woke up and saw Bitcoin had reached an all-time high. If you guys remember, I said I was tracking the price of Bitcoin and showing some good momentum. If we can break through the previous all-time high of $58,000, it's almost an upwards to $60,000. Look at the price of Bitcoin right now, $60,000, guys. And I want to let you guys know that this morning I was just smiling from ear to ear because I know those of you who've been sticking to the blueprint, follow my calls, and you guys know I told you about this beginning of the week and again midweek, just in case you missed it the first time around, to give you a second opportunity. You guys will make some good money off this. It's our time to shine once again. So if any of you guys jumped into any of our crypto plays, that's the Marathons, the Riots, the Canans, the E-Bonds, I want to see you guys down below in the comment section with a let's go so we can celebrate down there together. So guys, listen up. With the rollout of the stimulus checks, economic recovery on the horizon, and further institutional and retail investment into crypto, there could be further upside for this as we go through the next couple of weeks and months. So you guys know I'm going to continue to do my thing to ensure that we can keep crushing these crypto plays like we've been doing over the last couple of months. So I was excited to share that with you guys before we get started. Alright guys, let's jump into our first play to pick up in the markets next week. Up on screen, that's DermTech, ticker symbol DMTK. If you guys remember, this is a skin cancer detection company, but they do it differently to the rest of the market. They use a non-invasive sticker, which means it's quicker to use and also cost effective. Let's check this out. So this stock price has cooled off like the rest of the market from their 52-week high, which was above $80. This just opens up a good entry point for us if you don't already have a position in this one. And as you can see, they're just starting to make a climb from where they're at now. Now these are the kind of plays you want built into your portfolio where they're doing things differently. Now with DermTech, there's a large addressable market to continue their growth. Also, they've got other products they're working on, so several different catalysts here can come into effect to push that stock price up. These are the kind of plays you guys want built into your portfolio. Currently selling at $53, guys. Let's talk strike price on this one. What you guys want to do is you want to catch this as close to $50 as you can. That is going to be the floor for this stock. So if you can catch it at 51 or 52, I'm fine with that. Up on screen, that's Snap, ticker symbol SNAP. Another play, just doing things differently. This is a social play, but they've got super high engagement, but also they're taking their business in different directions, integrating things like augmented reality. This just can give them a push and set them apart from the rest of the crowd. This is a play that's looking to grow 50% year on year. That's an elite level of growth. You guys know we target those plays that grow at least 30%. So if they can continue to grow 50% year on year, and that stock price is just going to continue to climb. Talking price, Snap is currently standing at $62. They've started to make their rebound off their low of around $51, $52. Now, you guys know I told you about that rubber band effect. The play started off high, the sell-off happened, they came down, but they're going to bounce right back. Snap is a player that's going to have no problem climbing back to that $70 mark as they continue to roll out their platform and make those acquisitions they need to do to scale and grow their business. Now, when it comes to social platforms, Snap is right up there in one of my favorites with other plays like Pinterest. Alright guys, let's show some love to a triple digit play now. Up on screen, that's Roku, ticker symbol ROUK. Now if I'm honest with you guys, this one is out of place, sitting in the mid 300s. This is an easy mid $400 play at minimum. But nevertheless, you guys know as investors, we could just take full advantage of this. Now check this out. After the sell-off, this play is pretty much sitting at its low. This just opens up a good entry point to load up on this one if you haven't already done so. Now Roku, they're a streaming business, and guys, the future is streaming, so there's still a lot of growth for this play. This is a play that I caught mid last year, but I've been dollar cost averaging up on this one because I have an end of year price target of $550. Now if you're able to catch this one in the mid 300s, that's good upside right there. What you guys need to know is Roku had a blowout fourth quarter. That's what the investors, that's what the market are forgetting about. They completely smashed their earnings, and I expect much of the same as we go forward as they continue rolling out their platform, building that brand loyalty, making those acquisitions they need to do to scale their business. So if you haven't got this one already, we're going to try and enter this one at $350. Up on screen, that's Cineworld Group, ticker symbol CINE. This is our rebound play for next week. This is the glass half full type of play. So check this out. Pre-pandemic levels, they're sitting around 200 pence. Right now, just over 100. So this is a potential double up candidate for you guys. Now, this is a play that's got operations globally, but a large part of it comes from the US. So as those stimulus checks are rolled out, as that spending power has increased, and as there's that built up interest to go out after lockdown, this is the play that's going to benefit from that. Now, each and every week I'm going to be giving you guys these rebound plays because there's still a lot of potential with them. So I don't want you guys to be sleeping on these plays. Now, with these rebound plays, what you guys must know is going forward, when the economies are opened up, when these businesses are doing very well, they're still going to have a lot of debt on their balance sheet. So they're ones to monitor going forward. But nevertheless, there's still a lot of upside and a lot of growth for that stock price. Up on screen, Star Peak Energy, ticker symbol STPK, and this is a big potential play that we have in the portfolio, and you guys should be well familiar with this one by now. This is an energy storage play that's going to benefit from the global transition over to renewable energy, as every college campus, office, retail outlet needs energy storage. Now, if you guys look at this, check this out. So on the week's performance, up 43%. This is a classic example of that rubber band effect that I'm telling you guys with these solid growth plays in the portfolio. Now, you guys know I told you this is a potential 10x play, and you could already see the investors are not messing around with this one. They're bidding that price back up to where they need to be. So strike price on this one, under $35, guys. All right, guys, we rock with the channel. You know what time it is. This comment comes from Austin, says, I'm a new follower, love and respect the transparency and intel you're giving us. I'm slowly bulking out my portfolio. I've got GNOG, Neo, Torch, Tattoo Chef. Slowly but surely making gains. So firstly, thank you for sending this in. I appreciate you. Now, you touched on a number of points I want to talk about. Firstly, you mentioned the transparency. You guys know I like to keep it 100 with you. I've built several portfolios in the stock market. I'm going to show you guys step by step how you can construct a portfolio and make great returns and weather the storms in these corrections and come out winning on top. And you guys know you can already see the progress and how we're starting to do that. Now, you also mentioned a couple of names. You mentioned Neo, GNOG, Tattoo Chef, Torch. These are fantastic plays to add to the portfolio. Big upside potential. Pretty much all of them are in their buy zones right now. Neo's the only one that you might want to wait for a bit of a cool off. The rest are ready to pick up, scoop up in the markets, add to the portfolio. Now, you also mentioned you're slowly starting to make those gains. That's the mindset. When it comes to investing, don't be thinking about trying to make 100% overnight. Guys, those slow, steady gains is what's going to help you guys build wealth in the markets. That 5 to 10% month after month, it accumulates over time. So that's why I'm giving you guys these quality growth plays to add to the portfolio. And those of you guys who've been sticking to the strategy, following the blueprint, you guys will already start to see you're also making gains just like Aston is. All right, guys, so that wraps things up. Do hit the like button for me. It helps the channel out. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, join the journey. Also, check out link down below to the Patreon, where you can get access to our Discord and join our team of investors over there. Now, as we progress through the weekend, I've got a ton more videos for you guys to ensure that we're prepped and ready to crush another week in the markets. So as I always say, check into the channel each and every day. Stock market's rapidly moving, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.